Hey, it's Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso Realty. It's raining. We're out in and with Joe DeMarco, obviously from Hartford Funding. We're in Dyker Heights and Bay Ridge right now. We're going to be doing, getting rained down. We're going to be doing this. This is how dedicated we are to get you out of New York. We want you out of New York, and we want you in the sunshine. So we're going to go through all these communities here and through Brooklyn and show you the values between what we can get you for $900,000 in Southwest Florida. And Joel's our money guy, so he's going to talk to you all about money and how to get you financed, or if you're either pulling equity out of your property out here from up north to moving it down south so you have a secondary property, there's always a good advantage. What do you think, Joe?
Yeah, we've got a lot of different ways for people, worried about, and do they sell first before they buy? How do they get the money out of their property? We've got all different solutions for you now. Buy now, sell later, pull equity out of your property. One of the things we want to talk about too is obviously the proximity to the water here, right?
Yeah.
We got a lot of water right now. But
we're adding to the water.
Actually, proximity to water here, the nice view of the water. Again, we can offer that same lifestyle, a lot cheaper down in Southwest Florida, right, Steve?
Hey, it's Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso. Obviously, the series here is what you can get in Southwest Florida compared to what you have here in New York. We want to get you to New York. We want to get you to cash out, move all the money out there, and live a better life. So behind me here is a home. It's a semi-detached, $1,188,000, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,992 square feet. Expenses, taxes per year are $13,500, and your insurance is around $1,100 to $1,200 a month. Some people think Florida is only for the wealthy, but here's the truth. The average household in Estero earns more than here in Brooklyn. You can buy a newer, bigger home for far less money, and your overall cost of living can drop by 25 to 35%. Brooklyn is 315% higher crime than Lee County, 3% higher than Collier County, and 1,100% higher than Estero's. Economics. Income reality. Brooklyn's Bay Ridge Dyker Heights medium household income is $78,000 to $87,000, while Estero's medium household income is $100,000 to $107,000, meaning that Florida's middle class base is stronger. So we're going to show you what we can get you in Southwest Florida. Let's go. All right, so we're back in Southwest Florida. Behind me here is a special home. Why? Because I purchased one for myself. I was originally from up north, moved down to Southwest. This is a 4,700 square feet, 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom home with a loft, media, pool, bath. Let's go have a look. All right, so what do you think about this house? 4,700 square feet, 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom, and this is going to be between $900,000 and $1.1 million. Now, can you see yourself living in a home like this, have less expenses, and cash out of your home there in Dyker Heights?
Yeah, guys, Joe DeMarco here. So yeah, back here in Dyker Heights and Bay Ridge, I want to be able to show you, by taking the equity out of this property, what you can buy down in Southwest Florida. Got a lot of different options. We're going to take it back to the office and show you exactly what it looks like on paper. So we're back in Southwest Florida from the trip to New York, and now we wanted to show you some comparison numbers of your properties up there in New York and what you could equally buy down here in Southwest Florida. So, assuming a $1 million purchase price here in Southwest Florida and using the equity that you possibly currently have in your property there in Dyker or Bay Ridge, we're going to assume a down payment of right around $650,000, which will give you a loan amount of $350,000. At today's market rate, recording this video, you're going to be looking at a payment of somewhere right around $2,299. Clearly, if you want to talk about other options, maybe hanging on to some of your cash and not putting the full $650,000 down, we can definitely do that. Just reach out to me. Again, my name is Joe DeMarco with Hartford Funding, and I'm right here in sunny Southwest Florida.
So we're going to wrap up Bay Ridge and Dyker right now. So Joel's obviously here with me. And so what's your interpretation of this community, Joe?
Just another nice community in New York here. Again, it reminds me a lot of back home. The only difference is it seems like, the home prices here are just really, really out there, right? I mean,
Yeah, listen, the area is really beautiful. There's some streetscapes here with these large trees. If you can kind of focus on this tree trend as we're looking right now, like absolutely amazing landscapes. Obviously very pricey, clearly, for what you're getting. And again, what's the point Like, what do you want? Do you want to have a better life, safer community, and have your money go further along the way? That's going to be in Southwest Florida. So even though this area has some charm to it, again, you can move your money into Southwest Florida and have a much better life.